The kind of current exchanging volume of torrential slide fundamentally is at $141,264,694, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline. Or so they truly thought. Avax United States dollar medium-term support essentially remained at $13.68 in an especially significant manner. Torrential slides EMA10, by and large, shows an exceptionally descending pattern, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. 21 September 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and in every practical sense. Attempt to answer these much of the time, especially got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What truly is fundamentally transient cost expectation for torrential slide, sort of is Avax. A kind of wise interest in a kind of significant manner, torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on, which sort of is very critical. In any case, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Avax specialized examination, most certainly allowed us explicitly to discuss the extremely current economic situations, kind of additional appearance, how torrential slides EMA10 sort of shows an in every way that really matters, descending pattern, which by and large is genuinely huge. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,054,588,025,469, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The especially all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $30,136,343,183, showing how the exceptionally current exchanging volume of torrential slide especially is at $141,264,694 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 49.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33% in an exceptionally large manner, which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,641.04 level after a decay of 1.61%, which most certainly is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value reduction of 2.24%, coming to $1,590.35 during the past 24 hours, which all things considered, shows that the very complete exchanging volume really remains at $30,136,343,183, showing how the sort of current exchanging volume of torrential slide sort of is at $141,264,694, which most certainly is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1% within a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, is somewhere near 1.51 and right now exchanging at 51 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a by and large descending bearing for pretty present moment, by and large further appearance. How Avax United States dollar medium-term support sort of remained at $13.68, which generally is genuinely huge. Right now, a fundamentally broad by and large regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which explicitly shows that torrential slide support and obstruction levels, and so on in a huge manner. Torrential slide backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized markers used to by and large distinguish especially key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in a sort of significant manner. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers sort of become sort of more especially dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Truly further appearance, how Bitcoin shares 49.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they truly thought. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which vendors truly move fundamentally dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they generally thought. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The especially current torrential slide cost by and large is $8.86, with an exchanging volume of $141,264,694 and the kind of beyond 24 hours, exhibiting that similarly. Opposition most certainly is a level at which merchants truly move really dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Right now, Avax by and large is somewhere near 1.99% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $3,138,037,441 United States dollars, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging profound into the Avax specialized investigation, sort of allowed us especially to discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, further appearance how torrential slides EMA10 generally shows a truly descending pattern, which for the most part is very huge. Torrential slide value examination of Avax cost investigation for 21 September 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, especially made sense of beneath. So right now, a kind of broad kind of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part shows that torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on. Normal EMA2 for the most part break down the future development of the torrential slide, so torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to truly recognize truly key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. While Avax's Williams %R marker really is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange, especially signal generally is especially conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that torrential slide support and obstruction levels, and so on in a sort of significant manner. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and genuinely attempt to answer these as often as possible, truly gotten clarification on some things, facts. What explicitly is especially transient cost expectation for torrential slide, explicitly is Avax a wise speculation, which generally is very huge. The torrential slide basically has sort of break all its especially upholds levels and things by and large are not looking fundamentally really great for the crypto market, which for the most part is genuinely critical.